Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you some of the best mobile routers you can get for a reasonable price. These routers support all mobile network generations, 5G, 4G, 3G, and even older ones. Plus both offer 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections, including the latest Wi-Fi 6. And all of this comes at a price of around $100. The link's in the description. I recently reviewed some popular 4G routers that cost about $20 and they're pretty good. I've been using this one for the last few months and I haven't had any issues with streaming Netflix, YouTube or web browsing. The problem is, these budget routers only deliver about half the speed of your 4G plan, so you won't get more than 25 megabits per second. But with these routers you'll get maximum possible speed from 4G or 5G networks. Both have the same specs, with the only difference being the design and the screen interface. This one has an unpainted case and it looks really solid, and it would be my choice. They come in boxes like this, and inside you'll find a manual and a USB cable. This one also includes a screen protector. Both have a large replaceable 4200 mAh battery that lasts around 20 hours, depending on usage, and they're both powered by an 8-core MediaTek chip. On the device you'll find two buttons, a USB-C port for charging and powering, and a hole for the hard reset button. To set it up, just open the SIM card slot and insert a nano SIM with the contacts facing up. If you press the second button, it will display the Wi-Fi network name and password. And this one also shows a QR code for easy Wi-Fi connection. The interface here is pretty cool. You get tons of information like network bands. This gauge shows the number of connected Wi-Fi devices. This one tracks your data usage and resets every month. And this one displays the network load. By the way, this router shows both upload and download network load. Now let's do some speed tests. We'll start with a 4G SIM. And as you can see, we're getting about 50 megabits per second for download and 15 for upload, which is great and matches the max speeds on my mobile plan. If I connect my laptop to the router, we can check the Wi-Fi connection speed, which is over a gigabit. Pretty cool. Now let's run a speed test on Google. And we get a very similar result as on the phone. It's great speed and you can easily stream 4K videos. Now let's switch to the 5G SIM card and run the same test. 170 megabits per second is more than enough for most of us, but again, that's the average speed of my mobile plan. These routers can easily provide speeds over 500 megabits. Finally, let's quickly go over the web interface. Here's the IP address. So, here you can set your Wi-Fi network name and password. Here's the router status. Here you can change the mobile network band and adjust Wi-Fi settings, including signal strength. Here's a list of connected devices, and under Advanced you'll find tons of settings. You can change the Wi-Fi band, update the firmware, and access MAC filtering, DHCP, and security settings. You can also see all the bands this router supports. So I highly recommend this model. It's now my main internet source and I've been really happy with it.